Guys, what is up? I am very proud to announce that the hip is out in the field. We're doing our first test. We don't have the cameras set up. We only have the phone. Like I was saying, we're on our way. We have a big thunderstorm coming. It's going to deliver 6 inches of rain in the next day. That the forecast says, not just the weather app. The outside view, we got towards the house, towards the driveway, door. So very excited here. We got an anemometer here. So right now we're clocking 2.2 miles an hour, gust 84 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a lot hotter than that in here. I don't know if you could hear that or not. We're back. Okay, and we have some major updates. All right, and they're not really good. So yeah, things are just going wrong. So this is the window that we had originally installed, and it's holding great. I don't see any water leaking in, and if there is, it's very, very minor. The door is holding up great. No complaints on the door, but this window is leaking. You can see down here it's pooling. Up here it's letting in a little bit of water. This isn't water. That is acrylic caulk. But that's letting in a little bit. This is wet. This window has a great view. This down here though, there's water here leaking down on the floorboards. There's water on the floor. And I took my phone case off because my phone actually overheated. So we can take that how we will, but we are underway. So this definitely going to be improved on, because that is, if that happens during a hurricane, not good. Two-mile-an-hour wind speeds. It's 79.1 degrees. Rain is coming down. This window not doing awesome, but it's not like a flood yet. Hopefully it won't end up being a flood.
How's everything working? I got a fan for you. It's all dry, all right?
All right.
I got a fan.
Thank you. Yeah.
What's the damage?
We're fine. I'm streaming right now.
All right.
I got it up and running.
Let's go. No, this water, the grass is starting to get a little saturated.
Yeah, there's water in at the bottom. That's fine. It is leaking up the top, but it's really not that bad. It's only a minor drift. It's coming in really all over.
Okay, yeah.
It's really not
really
that
minor.
bad. It's minor.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Wilmington. So that severe thunderstorm warning for Brunswick County is lifted. The special marine warning, although, has not. Oh no. Okay. Update. We're getting now a steady flow or steady drip of water through the quarter hole. And if you don't know the quarter lore, Xander might know the quarter lore. Probably should have done that. Temperature has dropped about 10 degrees since we started. And my legs have dropped about 10 times. I still have a steady drip. I can catch it with my finger. Oh, I just turned that into a string. Oh, son. Oh, dude, this is like bad.
Alrighty, boys. Here we go. Ooh, that's a good rumble right there. Once you get this patched up, all right. Here.
There you go.
Thank you. Overall, I think it's holding up pretty good. We're still at like around half battery on the laptop. So, should be two. No, we're not planning on spending the night, but no, we're planning on riding out the storm.
Daydream, I fell asleep amid the flowers.